Hey guys, it's Charlotte here from charlotteohara.ca, and today I'm coming at you with a brand new video tutorial showing you how to use Canva to create a social media graphic template. So if you've checked out any of the other videos on my YouTube channel, you probably know that I love Canva, and it's a design tool that I use all the time. So before we dive into the main content of this video, I want to show you a few other Canva related videos that I've created. So the first one is how to create a social sharing logo with Canva and upload it to your Squarespace website. And the other is how to create a favicon with Canva and upload it to your Squarespace website. And I've linked to both of these videos up above as well as down in the description below. So if you want to check those out and learn more about Canva and how to use it with your website, go ahead. All right, so let's get back to this video, which is how to use Canva to create a social media graphic template. So Canva is a really wonderful web-based tool, and it's totally free to use. So all you need to do is go to canva.com and create an account, and you're good to go. Seriously, it's amazing. They have tons of templates that you can customize so that each design that you make matches your branding and it fits seamlessly with your website as well as any corresponding social media platforms. Personally, I use it all the time, and I have a library of templates I have already created for different designs I use quite often. But if you're just getting started, I suggest using one of Canva's templates that they already have and just customizing it as you need. And finally, these templates are really great because they're already formatted and correctly sized, so you don't have to worry about anything like fiddling around with dimensions or trying to guess how many pixels each design needs to be. It's already taken care of. It's good to go if you use one of these templates. Okay, so once you go to Canva and you've created a new design, you're going to see a page that looks something like this. So there's a whole section here for social media posts, and you can see the different templates that they've got. So let's start by creating, let's say, an Instagram post. So I'm going to click on this. And once this loads, you'll see that they have a ton of templates available on the left-hand side. So you can go through and just, see through. They have like hundreds of options that you can pick from, but pick one that looks like something that you're interested in and go through and give it a customization. So maybe you like the idea of this one for an Instagram post, so I would click it. But let's say you don't love that quote, you want a different one, so you would put your quote content here and maybe change out the name of this person. So I want to say Charlotte O'Hara. Yes, that's totally my quote. It's beautiful. No, I'm kidding. Okay, but basically, once we've got the main design part here, you've got the content, you've customized the name, whatever it is, now you can go ahead and update some of the design. So let's say I want to switch out some of the colors here. Basically, you click on any of the elements and hit the color, and then this will give you the options to swap it out. So maybe I've got my brand colors already in here, the yellow and the pink, so maybe I want to switch it to pink instead of red. So I would go ahead and do that. I can do the same with this here, pink. And there's also a change all button at the bottom that if I wanted to save time, I could click on that, and that will make the application go for it. And then let's say I want to get rid of this dark blue background, and instead I want to use let's just see what it looks like as yellow. Let's swap that out. Oh, okay, well that's quite bright, but that could be a look I'm going for. I don't know, let's keep it like that for the example here. And so I've got the colors taken care of, and now let's say I really like the quote content, but maybe I don't use this font, and instead I want to use a different one. Maybe I like Cooper Hewitt. Sure. So I'm going to click on that one, and you can see that it's going to change the font. And I can do the same here. Instead of Montserrat, I can go and hit Cooper Hewitt, and it's going to make it's going to apply that there. You can also see there's different options. Instead of just layout, there's also elements tab where you can go through and select like a photo, a grid, a frame, maybe a shape too. I mean, I could be interested in a shape. Let's say I want to add a triangle. Let's just showing you what it looks like here. Switching out the color so you can see it a little bit better. Okay, so now I've got a big triangle in place, but maybe I want it a little smaller because I want to stick it in the corner. So I can just put it there. And yeah, okay, well, can align it nicely with a bit more time and effort. But basically I can put that there, and let's say I want to copy it. I just highlight the element and I click copy on the right, and now I've got a second one. So if I wanted to move that around and maybe put it further in the corner, I can do that there. So now I've got two, and that makes the template a little bit more customized, and it could be a look that I'm going for. You can also add another bit of text by going over to the text tab, and they have some templates that you can pull from, or just add your own heading, subheading, or a little bit of text as needed. So you just kind of pull it over, drag it around, and do whatever you want with it. There's also a section for backgrounds too, which are kind of fun if you want to add a background to your design. And then finally, there's an uploads tab. So if you want to upload your own image, you can go ahead and do that too. And then just simply put that over into the design, sorry. All right, and now let's say I'm really happy with my design like this. Well, I'll just delete that so it looks a little cuter. But let's say this is my example of a social media graphic that I've used from one of Canva's templates. And now the last thing to do is just give the design a title. So let's call it Instagram Design 1. I don't know, call it whatever I want. And now I'm going to click download. And you can see that you have the option to download the design in a couple of different file types. So I'm going to stick to PNG for this example, but you can go ahead and use whichever one works best for you. And once I'm done, all I do is I click download, and in just a second, it'll save the design on my computer, and I can use it however I want, whether that's on social media, on my own website, or wherever I feel the need to put that design. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial that shows you a little bit of a walkthrough of Canva and how you can use their designs to create social media graphics for your website or social media channels. If you did like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and you can even hit the subscribe button. And if you like this sort of content, be sure to check out the other videos on my channel. And you can also hop over to my website, which is charlotteohara.ca. And I've got lots more content there all about design, websites, Squarespace, tech tips, and a whole lot more. So thanks again for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye now.